In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a comment video on TikTok, meaning that you're going to reply to someone's comment with a video. So to demonstrate this, I'm on my profile and I'm just going to find a video that has some comments. So I'm going to select this one right here. And then I'm just going to tap on the comments. Now let's say I want to reply to the first comment with a video. The process is very straightforward and simple. All I would need to do is long press on the comment with my finger. And then at the top, you'll see it says reply with video. All you need to do is tap on that. And then that will open up the TikTok camera. And then you can see the comment is kind of translucent. It says, guess I'm a psycho. Then from here, all you would need to do is record your video. So you just press the record button and then reply to the comment with whatever you want to say. Let go of the record button when you're done, and then you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. That'll take you into the TikTok video editor, and you can add your sounds, your effects, your text, and your stickers, and just customize your TikTok video however you would want. When you're fully happy with what you have produced, tap on next at the bottom right, and then just give your video a caption, select the cover thumbnail, select all the settings. So if you want to allow comments, allow duet, allow stitch, all that good stuff, and then you can post that TikTok video. Now, another way to make a comment video on TikTok is if I just discard this, and I close out the TikTok camera. There is a new feature on TikTok called the Ask on TikTok. So if I go to my profile, you can see I have the Q&A feature here. Now I've done a full video on this and I'll link it up in the card above or in the description below. Tap on Q&A and then this will bring you up all these questions from random accounts that you can go ahead and answer. So let's just say I want to comment or reply to the first one with a video. It says, what's your most viral video in 2021? Just tap on answer. Once again, that will open up the TikTok camera, but this time around you have a nice frame around it and you can just go ahead and reply to that with your video response and then just go through the same process of posting that video. So that is how you make a comment video on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.